Hi everyone. Today, I'll guide you through how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to add a table of contents in a Google document, you've come to the right place. Now, let's get started. To create a table of contents in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, open the document where you'd like to add a table of contents or create a new document if needed. To add a table of contents, make sure your text is properly formatted and organized using titles, headings, and subheadings. Here's how you do it. For instance, if I want this text line formatted as a title, I'll move my cursor to that line, then select Title from the top right bar menu. And that's it. It's done. Similarly, I'll format this second line as Heading 1 or a main heading, just like this. Now, place your mouse cursor where you want the table of contents to appear in your document. I'm going to add it here. From the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, hover over Table of Contents. You'll see 3 format options: 1, plain text; 2, dotted lines; 3, with links. Choose the format you prefer. Now, your table of contents is visible. If you make changes to your document later, like adding new sections or moving content, you'll need to update the table of contents. Simply click on the Table of Contents area, and then click the Refresh icon to update it with the latest headings. If you click the 3 dots next to the Refresh button, you'll find even more options. For example, you can change the style of the table of contents, adjust heading levels, modify indentation. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a table of contents in your Google Docs document. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," so I can personally thank you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care.